Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can really easily and quickly record your presentations and export them to a video file just directly in PowerPoint. And afterwards you can upload them on the website openslideshows.org directly to share it with thousands of people on YouTube. So you are in your presentation, just go to the slideshow tab. Then here you have the record slideshow button. Then you mostly record from the beginning. Then the cinema-like window pops up right on the right lower corner. You can control whether you want to include a video from your webcam or not. And then when you're set and done, you just hit the start recording button. Then present it exactly like you would do in front of a real audience. Go through all the slides, add all the information, also of course all the animation work, so don't worry about that. And then it's already done. Now you switch to the File tab, go to Export, click Create the Video, choose your quality, just make sure that use recorded timings and narrations is set. Then you create the video file. Choose some directory to save it. Then it takes a couple of seconds to export it. And now you have the possibility to share it directly on YouTube on the Open Slideshows video channel, where anyone can contribute and give this direct and free access to knowledge, really niche knowledge most of the time, to potentially thousands of people. So you just go to openslideshows.org, hit the upload button, choose your file, click upload. Then it takes a couple of seconds until you get the green success message, and then it will be added to the Open Slideshows YouTube account. I had this idea because after you do a presentation, you put a lot of effort into it, and afterwards it just rots away on your hard drive. And 2 years ago, I uploaded the first presentation to the channel, and around 700 people probably searching for exactly that knowledge already benefited for it. So it takes really minimum time of the one uploading the presentation and benefits a lot of people. And I'm really looking forward to receiving your contributions, to share it with all these people looking for it out there on YouTube. And I think especially if you are maybe a teacher, a professor, this could actually be a great way for your students to motivate them and show them that they can have some impact, and not only show their presentation to the classroom, but to hundreds of thousands of people on YouTube. So maybe you want to motivate them to upload their presentations. And I hope you like the concept of openslideshows.org. And let me know your suggestions and what you think about it in your comments.